Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel, Way to Go. If you're new here, my name is Helen and I'm on a weight loss journey and I'm doing it my way. No denying, no restricting, and everything in moderation. And that is what works for me. Today is an update from our Hurricane Fiona situation. And let me just tell you, we are still without power. It is about 3:45 in the afternoon right now, and I'm going to turn you around. She's starting, folks. It's 15 degrees out and it's starting to rain. It's picked up quite a bit. The wind isn't very strong yet, but yeah, it's definitely cool and it's definitely starting. Got a lot of our stuff put away as best that we can to prepare, but I'll try to keep you guys updated on how we fare through Hurricane Fiona. It's really raining out here, and I'm under the carport right now, but it's still, the wind is definitely picking up. And yeah, it's too dark out here to see anything. The temperature has really dropped. I can hear it too. I can really hear the wind. I'm going to go back inside where it's warm and safe. Yeah, it's a little windy out there. Okay, that was a little update, and it's 9 o'clock right now. The wind's really picking up. It's chilly. Okay, I'm going in. It's time for me to go in. This weekend, if we're without power, then there's lots of other things I can do around the house, like cleaning, deep cleaning, dusting, mopping, organizing, reading. We're fine. No worries about us. We're okay. A quick update. It's 10:30 and our power just went off and then just came back on again, so it's hard to say how much longer it's going to last. Probably be going to bed pretty soon, especially if the power goes out. I'm all done uploading, which I'm so very thankful. I got that done early. So, yeah, in a lot of places in Halifax, along the shoreline, they've already lost power for a while now, and I guess it's our turn. So see how much longer this lasts. Oh yeah, there's a lot more rain out here now. Woo! Yep, for sure. A lot more rain, a lot more wind, and it's a lot colder. Oh my gosh. Yep. Quite a big difference from like 2 hours ago. Hi, honey. How you doing? Okay. I'm going in. I don't know if you can see it very good, but yeah, it's storming. Fred has the flashlight aimed onto the trees. Ooh.
Getting going.
It's getting going. It's getting going good. Yeah. We're in for a doozy.
Yeah.
Batten down the hatches.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in. I'm cold.
Okay there.
Our power went out It is 3:35. Power's been out for a half an hour now, but it's been flickering off and on. So hopefully it won't be too long before it's fixed. I feel really, really bad for those, electricians that are out there have to fix this in this kind of weather. It's like extremely loud and extremely windy and rainy, and we're probably at the peak of it right now. But we're safe, and that's the main thing. So, yeah, you can't see me, but good morning. Well, we got through the night. I did not get much sleep, and we finally have power again. I think we've had power now for, I think it was about 7:30, I think power came on. I'll have to double check that. It's still quite breezy, still very rainy. There's pieces of leaves and stuff, grass all over my window, but it's still very, very breezy. Not like it was. There's a tree there that does not look very good. A bunch of branches down. But not bad from this angle. Okay, so far so good. Actually, in the distance I see, it looks like we may have lost a tree. If you could see, it's hard to see. Right in the middle of the screen. So it's still pretty windy. I don't know if you could tell, but there's lots of apples down off the trees, which is no big deal. Oops. There's a branch in the driveway. So far, from what I see, we did pretty good. I hope everyone else made it okay. Whiskey, ready to go down? Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hi, honey. Good morning. Hey.
We have a generator working.
Oh, it's the generator?
Yeah.
So it's not the power's on?
I rewired things.
Oh, okay. You ready to go downstairs, Whiskey? Let's go. I was hoping it was the power that was on. No, I guess it's the generator. Whiskey, come in. Come on. There she goes. Still pretty windy. Yeah, it's not over yet. Here we go. Fred has the generator in a slightly different location today because of the rain. He's got it covered outside where it's safe, but it's not quite as loud, so maybe you'll be able to hear me after all. I'm just going to take you to the side of the house. This here's a big maple tree that Fred had trimmed not too long ago because one of the branches was partially broken off. And he knew within one of the next big storms that we get, it'd probably come crushing down and destroy our power lines, and we didn't need that at all. So it's a good thing he done that, or else that tree would have come down. So I'm just going to turn you around and show you a little bit of the damage. We have a huge tree down right there. Part of it anyway. Part of it's still standing up, but the tree was dead anyway, and that just basically helped him bring it down. So that was really good. This is a new lilac tree that we had planted a couple years ago, and I'm very happy to say it survived. And we have lots of branches everywhere. This tree, I'm hoping Fred could fix it. It just came uprooted a little bit, but it's leaning pretty good. And there's some sticks and stuff in there in our little tiny wooded area. Now I'm going to take you over to the back of the house. I see a couple of shingles. Nothing too serious. And now it's going to get a little bit louder. So I'm going to turn you around and take you a little bit into our woods. Yeah, it's a little louder, but as we're walking away from the generator, hopefully it won't be so loud. Our beautiful maple is starting to change color. We have some sticks and debris all under the trees, but the maples are still intact. Our cherry trees are doing fine. We have 3 right there. Across from there is our very, very, very old apple tree. And unfortunately, it did receive some damage. I'm not sure how long this tree is going to stand anyway, because she's pretty old. The remaining apples all fell to the ground. It was pretty much stripped of apples anyway, because our neighbor, he used to live here, and his mom wanted some apples to make apple pies. That's something she always used to do when they lived here years and years ago. So we happily give them as many apples as they like. So this tree is so old. It's like, but we love it. A lot of history right here. Into another section of our woods, a little bit more damage. I'll take you around so you won't get dizzy. A huge tree fell down in front of one of our paths in the woods. Totally uprooted. A lot of needles on our picnic table. We have picnic tables all through these woods. But it's laying down, and they'll be easy to get clear of, but not yet. Fred still has tons to do. And I'll take you through another section of our woods. Little tree down. In our woods, there's some really old, rotten trees, and I'm surprised more haven't come down. That one is really leaning over me. Yeah. Things look okay over here. There's one of our ducks enjoying the rain. No, it's not real. Keep hearing plop plops from the toads and the frogs. Our bat house is still standing. That's amazing. There's a path in there. Fred put a lot of work into this property. A lot of work since we've been here, and we've been here about 7 years. So I just want to show you a little bit of the damage that we have sustained during Hurricane Fiona. Like I said, many times we've been so lucky. Just losing our power and our phone and internet is not really a big deal. We're okay. We have a generator, and we turn that off about 9 o'clock at night, and we just go to bed early, and it's kind of peaceful. But I am worried about family and some friends because there's no way to keep in touch with them. I know some people have been hit hard. Fiona was not kind to everybody. I'm just glad that's over, but this is hurricane season, and as Maritimers, we're prepared as we can be, which is always good. There is some more damage, and I'm not going to show you that. It's right down close to the road. A tree was down, and Fred moved it. There's still a lot of debris everywhere, but it's just trees. That's all we had, and we lost a few shingles, our power, and the internet, and the phone, and we were very, very lucky. So thank you very much for everyone who prayed for us during this, through Fiona's nasty little storm.
Boy, they're pretty quick.
It's damage up here. This area got hit hard. Thank you everyone for being here with me here today as I show you the damage from Hurricane Fiona. We're safe, we're okay, and until next time, and hopefully they'll be on schedule, take care my friends and be kind to you. Bye bye for now.